Go.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Woo. Boom. Boom. Where do we go? Come here. Ready? Ready? Boom. Where are you going? Oh! Boom. Ready? Are you gonna do it? Boom. Are you gonna do it? Yes, you did. Boom. There. Peyton, Riley, come here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Stay up there. You stay up there. You stay up there.
Peyton Riley, look at Mommy. Do you tell everyone that you're a little daredevil? Did you tell everyone that you're a little daredevil?
I think they can figure that out once they see this. Where are you going? You gonna stay up there now? That's good. You're supposed to stay up there. You're supposed to be a good girl and stay up there. What are you doing?